Hi everybody, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mummy, and today I have 5 fantastic ideas for items that you can get at the dollar store and use to decorate an Easter tiered tray. So let's get started. The first thing that we're going to make is a wooden bead garland using these wooden tags and ornaments from the dollar store. So we'll cut the hanger off of this little wooden tag, grab some white paint, I'm using chalk paint, and paint the tag white. While the wooden tag is drying, you can string some wooden beads onto a piece of twine. I purchased my wooden beads on Amazon, but you can get them at any craft store. I'm going with some natural colored beads and some that I painted white. I'm using a little plastic needle to get mine on, but you could also just tape the end if you wanted to do that. Then I took a tassel that I made from twine and tied it on to the end of the beaded garland. If you've never made a tassel, it's super easy, and I will leave a tutorial in the description box so you can find out how to make those. Then to the other end of my wooded bead garland, I tied a couple of knots to make sure that the wooden beads would stay in place. And then I grabbed the white wooden tag that I had already painted. I took some hot glue and attached this little wooden piece that I found at the dollar store, and I glued it to the front of the tag. And then I tied the tag to the end of the wooded bead garland. And to finish it off, I just took a piece of twine, tied it in a bow, and hot glued it to the top of the tag. And that's it for this. I love a wooded bead garland on a tiered tray, and I think this one is perfect for Easter. Next up is a simple idea for these colorful dishes from the dollar store and these little chalkboard plant tags. I took the little clothespin off of the back of the plant tag and I wrote 25 cents with a chalk marker. And then I grabbed the foam carrots from the dollar store, which I absolutely love. I think they're totally adorable with the little raffia tops. And I put some hot glue on the back of my tag that says 25 cents. And I attached it to my pile of carrots, and it's all ready for a tiered tray. So easy and super cute. Another idea for a tiered tray is just to pick up some of the knickknacks from the dollar store. I thought these two were super cute, but I wanted the bunny to match the gnome a little bit better, and the gnome was a little more matte. So I grabbed some white chalk paint and I put a couple of coats on my bunny, and I love the look of this. I think it looks really classy and adorable. Here's what the gnome and the bunny look like together. I think they look really cute, but let me know in the comments, what do you think? Another super easy idea for a tiered tray is to grab these little metal buckets from the dollar store and fill them with seasonal items. So I put some white pom-poms in one for bunny tails, and I filled the other one with carrots. And here's how they look. Pretty cute, right? The last idea I have for a tiered tray is to grab these little espresso mugs from the dollar store and fill them with candy. I filled this one with chocolate eggs, and I think it's adorable. And here's a look at all 5 items. displayed on my tiered tray. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so and ring that bell so that you don't miss out on any of the fun. See you next time.